Let us now make a longitudinal cut in the tunica albuginea of a testis, which has just been removed. The seminiferous tubules may be pulled from the testis as long, delicate threads. If one of these tubules is placed on a microscope slide and the surrounding fluid withdrawn gradually, the cellular content exudes from the cut end. Sperm in the seminiferous tubules occur in groups with their heads embedded in Sertoli cells. All sperm in this segment show a slight vibratory or undulatory movement. Occasionally, the tips of the flagella appear to be blebbed. The significance of these blebs is unknown. Free sperm may be present also. Their flagella may be curved slightly and show mild vibratory movements. Their heads normally remain in one plane. Very occasionally, a sperm will appear to rotate slowly. The morphology of the head can be appreciated in a rotating sperm, for the edge of the head appears as a bright flash. We emphasize that the rate of sperm movement has been recorded at normal speed throughout this film. When spermatozoa are recovered from the ductile efferentes and examined with phase objectives, they show the same motility pattern as those taken from the seminiferous tubules. An occasional sperm may show more vigorous vibrations of the flagellum. The majority are capable of only weak vibratory movements. They make little or no forward progress. Note that the cytoplasmic droplet is located at the base of the head. This is a segment of one of the ductile efferentes showing the strong ciliary currents within the tubules. This is quite characteristic of segment 2. But even here, the majority are unable to rotate or to make any forward progress. Segment 3 is the point of flexure of the head of the epididymis. A variety of swimming movements are evident in this segment. Note the forward movement shown by one sperm in this preparation. Notice also that a few sperm are showing a slow circular form of movement. In these individuals, there is a distinct curve in the region of the midpiece. The flagellum in motion appears somewhat more linear. But even so, the majority still show the tight circular movement that is so characteristic of the preceding segment. Segment 6 comprises the upper half of the body of the epididymis. A few sperm are now capable of moving straight forward. Many still move in circles, but in most cases, the circle appears to be wider than seen in previous segments. Note that many show rotation of their heads as they move forward, but there are others in which the heads do not rotate. In these cases, the rapidity of flagellar movement gives the impression of vibrations of a tuning fork. Such sperm often move in wide circles rather than straight forward, which is so characteristic of the swimming movements of mature rabbit spermatozoa. The flagella appear more or less straight. A few sperm retain the droplet, and when present, it is located at the junction of the midpiece and the main piece.